I don't want to be in this flat anymore. Chloe's not here. The cat's not here. I could get a cat, but you know, they always bloody leave you, don't they? No, I'm committed. I'm committed. I've got 6 months to go. It is exciting. And it's terrifying at the same time. Excuse the mess. You have to go and excuse it anyway. I'm making a cup of tea. I've got to get rid of that hole because Azzy took my heater, which was there, and I've also sewed a piece of plasterboard for that hole there. So I don't know where to start. This is the reason why I've kept these pieces of plywood, and I think the only piece that's going to do it is that one. I think that's not got a, that's a door, that's a base, in fact that's a side piece, but it doesn't matter. That one's not big enough. That one's nowhere near deep enough, so I can't use that one. The only piece is this one. So what I'm going to do, I'll measure it front to back to see if it will fit in, hopefully, and then the things will slot down the back, and then I'll cut it to size and then take that piece off. My God, it's cold in here. I need a heater. So I went shopping yesterday, everything was fine. I managed to get 4 bags of shopping up here, nearly killed me. My leg felt like it was going to explode, it really did. I was sitting here last night, well not here, I was lying down in the bedroom. What time was it? It was about 5 o'clock I think. My head started going fuzzy. I couldn't focus. I mean, my mind wouldn't focus properly. And then it was about 30 minutes later, I suddenly, it's like I'm focusing here all the time. You know, I've got double everything. And I don't know what, I'm quite confused. I am confused, I don't know. I don't feel right, and that's all, really. I can't explain it. I feel strange. I'm going to see Chloe on the 18th, and it's now the 12th. Is it the 12th or the 11th? I can't remember. You know, I can't wait to get on a motorbike on the open road. Oh, it's twisties. Tony Tours Thailand, or Tony, is it Tony Tours Thailand or Tony Does Thailand? I'm starting up the north. I've got to travel right the way up the north, sort of not Chiang Mai, so now you can see I've done the living room, sort of, I hope. This room is done, but it's full of junk. It's not junk, it's tools I need to do what I'm doing. But then the tools are going to go in the bin or go somewhere. But my living room's alright now. It's looking alright anyway. I've still got a bit of it. Oh look, there's Brian, and this is Yogi. I've got to take Yogi. Was it time I departed with Yogi? I'm not too old to have a Yogi. I've had him since I was about 4 or 5 years old. He used to sit there biting his nose, that's why I've got no teeth. That is the shithole corner of everything. where I've done all my work, everything for the past 10-15 years, where I've built absolutely everything, PCs, jet powered cars, world's brightest torch, absolutely everything, and now it's got to go. Never mind. Pissed off. I am a bit pissed off. The places that were yellow, because they used cream, it's like cream paint. You can't really see it, but they used cream paint. The places that were that colour need another coat. I suspect out here is one, although it might not. I'm not worried about the glass. I'll just get a knife, cut round it and then scrape it. It'll come off easy. But this hasn't come out bad. You can still see patches where it needs another coat, but f it. I think it's going to come out alright. Right, I'll start on this shit tip now. Right, I've made a decision. This has got to go. It's going to have to go anyway, but I was hoping to leave it as long as possible purely because I'll have somewhere to work. But to be honest, in my living room I've got a little table I can work on, because I've still got planes to make, but I'll be alright. This has got to go anyway, so I can get the blokes in to actually remove all the shit again. So yes, I'm going to dismantle it now and chuck the lot. End of an era, absolutely. And now I'm going to have a cup of tea, shitloads of painkillers, then I can clean up and start I don't know.